Ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, part two. Look at that primitive piece. I'm still upstairs. I've been trying to find a knife. I haven't been able to find one. Alicia Stonebreaker, October 1976. Oh, look at this rug. That is a nice sized rug. Oh my god. What? Oh my god, this is so heavy. Okay, let me try and get this so we can see it. That's heavy. Really nice framed bird plates. Oh god, look at that. Open something on the back. Yes. Walter Dyke Carter. He's in the Dictionary of British Artists. Whitby Fishing Village. Carnarvon Castle, that's in Wales. Somerset, Virginia. That is fabulous. I told you this was going to be a phenomenal sale, didn't I? That's cool. Love the frame and everything. Shipley. Let's see if there's anything on the back. No, but you can just tell it's old. Antique. I think I'll leave it down and look at the bald eagle. So we've got this lamp here and this one. Trying to find names inside of the furniture. Hold on. It's hard trying to get this stuff open with one hand. I'll tell you what, let me pop you up here a sec. No, that's terrible. Hold on. Oh. See, I just found that. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's on buttons, but button covers. As I say, we go through all this. Some birds, more birds. He loved birds. Look at that tray, 1968. More of these cool rugs, tribal rugs. And the art is everywhere. The hooks. Mirrors are fabulous. Look at these. Look at that mirror. Oh, these are really sweet, aren't they? He liked the antique shaving paraphernalia, apparently. see what's over on the back of these. Oh, it's 3 British birds. So they are, they're book plates. Right. 57 coloured engravings. Oh, really well done. I'm going to try and get some photos, you see, so I'm going to try and get rid of that bloody glare. Nice dresser. Oh gosh, look at that. I didn't even notice. Look at the bed. And that. The texture on that. Look at you horse people are going to love this. Frame is fabulous. Hold on, let's see if we can get a signature. Mark King again. He did the one downstairs. Okay. So he's good apparently, for want of a better epithet. And I really like this. There's something on the back of that. That's cool as hell. Okay, and we've got some sort of pen and inks here, maybe. Kind of cartoon. Look at this glare. Sorry. And more bird engravings. Fabulous frames though. Look at these. Let's see if there's anything on the back of these. Oh gosh, brilliant. Graves again. So a gay dog, studies of bulldogs. Original antique lithograph made in 1905 by Cecil Charles Windsor Alden, English. 1870-1935, $225. British artist and illustrator, late Victorian period. Animal, sports and rural life. Okay, Cecil Alden. So we've got 3 of those. Pink and navy, which I think is an unusual combination. Actually, you know what? I've got to see if there's anything behind her. Hold on. Let's pop you up again. Wait there a sec. This is oh yes. Hold on. So, rhododendron. Original oil on canvas, Grey Thomas Morrow, Glasgow, 1974. Graves, International Art, $6,000. Seated nude. Oh, hold on, no. So I wonder where rhododendron is. This is the seated nude. $3,600. Here's the blurb about old Gary. And Graves is the art gallery Graves is located near Washington DC. There you go. Let's put her back here. I'm trying to get photos here. All right, that's behind door number 1. Okay. Nothing in there. Oh, we've got tablecloths. Oh, and like football tops. I don't know what teams these are. Francis. No idea. So, okay, and now we've got one more bedroom. Alright, so this is the, people are going to want that. We've got to go through this. Check for sterling or gold, I suppose. Oh. Okay. Would have been a knife in here somehow. And we've got the sporrans for the old kilts. Oh, we've got a tiffany box. Empty. Oh, all the Tiffany stuff's empty. See, family takes the things that they want. So, oh. Okay. Leave the things that they don't. We're going to be busy with this one, aren't we? Cool pillows. Princeton hoodie. United States Military Academy. Joseph Monroe Murphy. In the state of Maryland. He graduated 1915. That's his diploma framed. So you can get a close up. I think he was, oh, there's another footballer that signed it, Huff, 1982. Huff. Sam Huff, New York Giants. There you go. Tells me on there. This is a prominent Richmond family. Birds. That's Virginia House. More artwork. United States Naval Academy 1908. And there's another one of those. This guy here. PJ Mead, yeah, Jules Moon, Minnie, 2 terriers. Empty. Nothing behind the door though. No. Okay. DeLorme sheets. Pottery Barn towels. Pottery Barn. Nice. This is a cool piece, isn't it? Okay, and I think we go back in here. Look at this piece. St Andrews, it's the golf course. More cool house. Another leather recliner with ottoman, trunk, kind of uniforms in there. United States Military Academy, West Point, 1906. There was a footlocker at the end of this bed when I first came, so that has gone. But the family has kept that, so just to let you know. United States Marine Corps. Okay. You just keep saying stuff and get distracted. One blank pen. Okay. Alright, I think I'll do a third part actually because I've got to go down in the basement. So stay tuned. Cheers.